The rain has stopped, the storm has passed. Look at all the colors, now the sun's here at last. I suppose that you'd be leaving, but I want you to know part of you stays with me even after you go. Like an actor playing someone else's scene. This could not be happening to me. But you were there. You were everything I'd never see. You woke me up from this long and endlessly. I was alone. I opened my eyes and you were there. Mga kapatid, ganun ang Diyos. Minsan po, sa dami ng problema, maiisip mo, may Diyos ba talaga? Minsan po, sa daming pagsubok, maiisip mo, parang hindi naman ako pinapakinggan ng Diyos. Minsan po, sa dami ng mga iniisip mo, hindi mo na talaga siya mararamdaman. Pero hindi kanya pinabayaan. Yun lang buhay ka ngayon, patunay yun na hindi kanya pinabayaan. Sana palagi mong maintindihan at maunawaan, maramdaman. Kasama natin palagi ang Diyos. Diba sabi nga, I opened my eyes and you were there. Amen? Malakas na palakpak para sa ating Panginoon.